For kitchen renovations, there are many options depending on your budget, style preferences, and the scope of the project. Here are some key categories to consider. 1. Cabinetry. Refacing. Keep your existing cabinets but update the doors and hardware. Replacement. Install entirely new cabinets with updated storage features like pull-out shelves, soft-close drawers, and custom layouts. Open shelving. Create an open, modern look by replacing upper cabinets with floating shelves. 2. Countertops. Materials. Options include granite, quartz, marble, butcher block, concrete, or laminate. Resurfacing. If you want a budget-friendly option, resurfacing your existing countertops with new materials or even epoxy can refresh the space. 3. Backsplash. Tiles, subway tiles, mosaic tiles, or natural stone options can add texture and color. Alternative materials. You can also use glass, metal, or shiplap for a modern twist. Flooring is a crucial part of any kitchen renovation. Consider materials like tile, hardwood, luxury vinyl plank, or even cork if you're looking for a more eco-friendly option. And hey, if you're in a colder climate, you might want to think about installing radiant floor heating beneath your tiles. It can make a world of difference. Let's talk appliances. Upgrading your kitchen by replacing outdated appliances with modern, energy-efficient models can really save on energy costs and improve functionality. Plus, built-in options like wall ovens, cooktops, or integrated refrigerators can give your kitchen a sleek, streamlined look. Lighting is key in the kitchen. For task lighting, consider installing under-cabinet or pendant lights over the kitchen island to improve those crucial work areas. And for ambient lighting, recessed lighting or modern chandeliers can really enhance the room's overall atmosphere. It's all about creating the right mood. Now, let's talk about islands and breakfast bars. If space allows, adding a kitchen island can be a great idea. It provides extra prep area, storage, and seating, which honestly can be super handy. On the other hand, if you're working with a smaller space, extending a peninsula or creating a breakfast bar could be a fantastic, smaller-scale alternative. It still offers some of the benefits without taking up as much room. Pantry and storage solutions. If space allows, consider adding a dedicated pantry for better storage. Maximize space in cabinets and drawers with pull-out trays, spice racks, and corner organizers. Sink and faucet. Choose a larger, more functional sink like a farmhouse, undermount, or stainless steel option. Consider touchless or pull-down faucets for convenience. Eco-friendly and sustainable choices. Use recycled or sustainable materials for cabinets, countertops, or flooring. Opt for Energy Star-rated appliances to save energy. Are there specific areas you're thinking of focusing on for your renovation?